Exercise 2.2 and question number 15. Tangent inverse of x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tangent inverse of x plus 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to pi by 4. Then find x. Okay. Tangent inverse of x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tangent inverse of x plus 1 upon x minus 2 is pi by 4. And we have to find x, right? So we will apply this identity, tangent inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy is equal to tangent inverse of tangent inverse x plus tangent inverse y is equal to tangent inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Right? This is similar to this tangent inverse x. This is cos x and this is y. So this is similar to tangent inverse of x plus tangent inverse of y. So we will use here tangent inverse x plus tangent inverse y. This implies it will be tangent inverse of this is x, this is y. So it will be x plus y, x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus x plus 1 upon x minus 2 upon 1 minus xy, that is x minus 1 upon x minus 2 into x plus 1 upon x minus 2, and this is equal to pi by 4, right? This implies tangent inverse of, right, this is x minus 1 into x minus 2, x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus x minus 2 into x plus 1 अपॉन, यहाँ पर अगर आप एलसीएम लेते हैं, इसमें एलसीएम क्या होगा हमारे पास, x माइनस 2, 1 minute, this is x plus 2 actually, x plus 2, so it will be x plus 2, right? Okay, so x minus 2 into x plus 2, and here LCM in denominator, LCM क्या होगा डिनोमिनेटर में, x minus 2 into x plus 2, this will be LCM in denominator. Okay, so it will multiply with 1, so you will get x minus 2 into x plus 2 minus, this will be x minus 1 into x plus 1, x minus 1 into x plus 1, this into dx, fine. Okay, this is tangent inverse of both LCM will cancel each other. Now this, it will be x square, multiplication of these two, this will be x square plus x minus 2. इस मल्टीप्लिकेशन का आप सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, you will get x square plus x plus 2, like x minus 1 into x plus 2, so it will x square plus 2x, 1 से करेंगे, minus x minus 2, so this is x square plus x minus 2, x square plus x minus 2, right? If you multiply this, you will get x square minus x minus 2, right, upon, this is a minus b and this one is a plus b, so it will be a square minus b square, that is x square minus 2 square, that is 4, minus, and this will be a minus b, again a plus b, so this is x square minus 1 square, that is 1 square is 1, Alright, if you simplify this, this will be tangent inverse of, right, x square plus x square, 2x square, x and x will cancel each other, minus 2, that is minus 4, upon x square minus 4 minus x square plus 1. So this is tangent inverse of 2x square minus 4 in numerator, 2x square minus 4 in numerator, and in denominator x square minus x square will cancel each other, minus 4 plus 1, minus 4 plus 1. This is tangent inverse of 2x square minus 4 upon minus 3, right? But one thing is that in right side we have pi by 4. जब भी आप सॉल्व करते हैं किसी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन या किसी भी एक इक्वेशन को, आपको दोनों साइड साथ साथ में लिखनी होगी, LHS and RHS. So we are solving this trigonometric equation, so you need to write both side parallel, right? So this is pi by 4 and this one is also pi by 4. Okay, मैं इनको मिटा देता हूँ. This implies 2x square minus 4 upon minus 3 is equal to, आप टेंजेंट को राइट साइड में शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं, और यू कैन से इफ वी टेक टेंजेंट ऑन बोथ साइड, टेंजेंट ऑफ टेंजेंट इनवर्स 2x square minus 4 upon minus 3, this is tangent pi by 4, right? But instead of this implies tangent inverse 2x square minus 4 minus 3. In place of pi by 4, you will write tangent inverse 1, because tangent inverse 1 is pi by 4. As tangent pi by 4 is 1, so you can say pi by 4 is equal to tangent inverse of 1. So in place of pi by 4, you will write tangent inverse 1. Now, by comparison on both sides, because tangent inverse 1 is a 1 function, you will write 2x square minus 4 upon minus 3 is 1. Now by simplifying this, we will get x implies minus 2x square minus 4 is minus of 3. This implies 2x square is equal to, this is minus 3, and if we shift minus 4 from left to right, it will become positive, implies 2x square is equal to 1. This means x square is equal to 1 by 2, implies x is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. X will be plus minus of 1 by root 2. Okay. We have value of x is plus minus 1 by 2, but we need to check the solution by putting this in this equation, which one satisfy and which one does not satisfy. If any of the solution do not satisfy this equation, we will leave it and the remaining will be the only solution. Okay, but in this case if we will check both plus minus 1 by root 2 will satisfy this equation, so this equation have these two solution. Okay, but you need to check, right? After that you will write that x is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2 are the solution of this equation. Okay, next is question number 16. Next is question 16. Question 16 is sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3, right? as we know, sine and sine inverse, sine inverse of sine x is equal to x only when x belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Sine inverse of sine x is x. ये सिर्फ कब होता है? When x belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. But in the present situation, if you will write like 2 pi by 3, then it does not belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. It does not belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So we can not write this 2 pi by 3. So we need to simplify this. So sine inverse, because 2 pi by 3 sine inverse की principle sine inverse की range में belong नहीं करता. So sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3. So we need to change this value in a corresponding value which lies in principal value branch, or you can say range for the sine inverse. So you will write it as sine of 2 pi by 3 will be 3 pi minus pi upon 3, which is further equal to, the 2 pi is written as 3 pi minus pi. This is sine inverse of, now this is 3 pi upon 3 minus pi upon 3 dividing separately. This is sine inverse of, now what is this? These two will cancel, pi minus pi by 3. Sine 180 minus theta, that is sine theta sine pi by 3. And sine pi by 3 is 1 by sine pi by 3. Sine pi by 3, this sine 60, that will be, sorry, there is, actually this was sine of sine pi by 3 pi by 3 minus pi by 3, which is sine inverse of sine, this will be pi by 3, sorry, pi minus pi by 3. Now sine 180 minus theta is sine theta, so you will write sine inverse. This is sine 180 minus theta, that is sine theta, so you will write sine pi by 3. And if you cancel these two, now you see pi by 3 which belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, that is range fixed for sine inverse, right? So sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3 will be pi by 3, equal to pi by 3, not equal to 2 pi by 3, right? The next one is tangent inverse of, question number 17 is tangent inverse of tangent 3 pi by 4. Tangent inverse of tangent 3 pi by 4. This is also equal to 3 pi by 4, but which does not belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, right? So we need to change this value 3 pi by 4 in some other value corresponding other value which belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. And in case of tangent inverse, this interval is open, that is range for tangent inverse minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So tangent inverse of tangent 3 pi by 4, tangent 3 pi by 4. So you will write 3 pi by 4 as 4 pi minus pi divided by this. If you will write like this, then it will tangent inverse of tangent. Now this